Hey guys, Hunter here. Busy ass day yesterday. I got a lot to do today, not related to the bike. So I'll do a quick update. But yesterday I got quite a bit finished off. Got my jugs, cylinder heads on there, and my new valves, intake manifolds all put in. As you can see, the rear sprocket is hooked now to the chain. Hence, transmission side is finito. My clutch assembly all put in yesterday. Yep. I threw my tank on for a little test fit. Not too shabby. Nice high reflective finish there. I did a wet sand on that tank down to 3,000 with a good clear coat. So you can see yourself in that damn thing. I am pleased with the way she is looking. Alright guys, till next time, peace.